One is talking about Comet browser, but very few are actually telling you the truth. Some say it's the future of browsing, others say it's just another AI hype tool. But I'll give you my honest review of Comet browser, what it does well, where it fails, and whether you should actually use it or not. So if you're searching for an honest Comet browser review, you are in the right place. This video is not sponsored, and I'll show you how Comet browser works in real life, who it's actually useful for, and who should probably skip it. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know if Comet browser fits into your daily workflow or not. So Comet browser is an AI-powered browser designed to help you understand web content faster. Instead of just opening websites and reading everything yourself, Comet browser uses AI to summarize pages, explain complex information, and help you interact with content directly while browsing. So the idea behind Comet browser is simple: less scrolling, less reading, and more clarity. When you first open Comet browser, it doesn't overwhelm you, which is actually good for beginners. The AI assistant panel is easy to access, and everything feels focused on helping you understand content rather than distracting you with unnecessary features. However, if you are used to traditional browsers like Chrome or Edge, it may feel unfamiliar at first. It works by combining normal browsing with AI assistance. When you open a web page, the browser allows the AI to read that page and help you summarize, simplify, or extract important points from it. Instead of copying and pasting text into another tool, everything happens inside the browser itself. This is where Comet browser tries to save you time. One of the main features we use Comet browser for is page summarization. This feature works well for blogs, articles, and informational pages. It quickly gives you a short and clear summary of long content. However, the quality of the summary depends heavily on the structure of the web page. Clean articles were great, but messy or ad-heavy pages sometimes confuse the AI. This is where honesty matters. Comet browser is helpful, but it's not perfect. Most of the time, the summaries are accurate, but occasionally important details are missed. That's why I don't recommend blindly trusting the AI. It is best used as a helper, not a replacement for your own judgment, especially for research, education, or decision making. For students, teachers, and researchers, Comet Browser can be a powerful assistant. It speeds up reading and helps break down complex topics. Instead of spending 30 minutes on one article, you can understand the main idea in just a few minutes. However, for deep research, you should still cross-check information manually. And if you are a content creator, it shines during the research phase. It helps you understand topics quickly before turning them into scripts or videos, but it is not ideal for writing full scripts inside the browser. It works best when you combine it with a separate AI chat tool for content creation. In terms of speed, Comet browser performs reasonably well. Pages load smoothly and the AI responses are fast most of the time. However, on slower internet connections or heavy web pages, the AI can lag slightly. It is not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. And any AI browser raises privacy questions, and Comet browser is no exception. Since it reads web page content to summarize it, users should be cautious about using it on sensitive or personal websites. I recommend avoiding AI features on banking or private accounts just to stay safe. Many people ask whether Comet browser is free or paid. The free version is good enough for basic use. However, advanced features or higher limits or premium performance may require a paid plan. So for beginners, a free version is a good starting point before committing to anything. And some users expect Comet browser to replace Google search completely, which it cannot. Others expect perfect summaries every time, which is unrealistic. Comet browser is a tool to assist you, not to think for you. Once you understand its limits, the experience becomes much better. This browser is ideal for beginners, students, researchers, and content creators who read a lot online. If your work involves articles, blogs, or documentation, then this browser can save you time. But if you only browse social media or watch videos, you may not benefit much from it. And if you prefer traditional browsing and don't like AI involvement, then Comet browser may not be for you. And also, if you expect flawless results without any learning curve, then this tool may feel disappointing. While Comet browser offers fast summaries and easy understanding and a clean interface, it also has limitations in accuracy, creativity, and deep analysis. It works best as a support tool rather than a complete solution. So, is Comet browser worth using? Honestly, yes, but only if you understand what it's designed for. It is not perfect, but when used correctly, it can save time, reduce information overload, and make online reading much easier. So think of Comet Browser as a smart assistant sitting beside you while you browse. If you found this honest Comet Browser review helpful, then like the video and subscribe to my channel to Bloom AI for more beginner-friendly AI tool reviews. And let me know in the comments if you're using Comet browser or planning to try it. And I'll see you in the next video.